Let me take you on a journey today into something that's not only powerful, but deeply transformative: the art of visualization. You see, many of us go through life thinking that success is something external. We believe it's all about hard work, networking, and being at the right place at the right time. But there's another, much deeper layer to all of this. It's not just about doing, it's about being. It's about aligning your internal world with the reality you want to create. And that's where visualization comes in. A visualization is not some airy-fairy concept. It's the practice of seeing, feeling, and embodying your desired reality before it even manifests. It's about creating the blueprint of your success in your mind's eye and then watching it unfold in your life. Now, how do you know if you're on the right track? How do you know if your visualization practices are actually working? Today, we're going to dive deep into the 5 signs that you're attracting success through visualization. These signs will not only help you recognize the shifts happening within you, but also guide you to amplify the power of your visualizations. And as we go through each sign, I want you to ask yourself a simple question. Am I truly ready to receive the success I've been visualizing? The first sign that you're attracting success through visualization is that you start to experience a shift in your emotions. Visualization isn't just about seeing an image in your mind, it's about feeling it in your body. When you visualize success, you shouldn't just see yourself achieving your goals, but you should feel what it's like to have already achieved them. Well, you start to feel more confident, more excited, and more energized. Your emotions begin to align with the frequency of success. It's as if you've already crossed the finish line before the race has even begun.
Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lesson.
Think about it. When was the last time you truly felt the emotions of your success in a vivid way, not just as a fleeting daydream, but as a deep, embodied feeling? If you can honestly answer that, then you're already on your way. The universe responds to energy, and when you radiate those emotions of success, you're sending out a powerful signal that attracts the very things you've been visualizing. The second sign is synchronicity. Have you ever noticed how certain opportunities, people, or resources just seem to appear out of nowhere when you're deeply focused on a goal? This is no accident. When you're visualizing your success consistently and with intention, the universe begins to rearrange itself to make room for your desires. You'll start to notice patterns. Maybe you're thinking about a business idea, and suddenly you meet someone who can help you bring it to life. Or you're visualizing financial abundance and unexpected financial opportunities appear. These moments of synchronicity are not coincidences. They're signs that your visualization is working. You are literally magnetizing the people, resources, and opportunities that will help you manifest your vision. But here's the key. You must be open to recognizing these synchronicities when they occur. Too often we brush off these moments as mere chance, not realizing they are the universe's way of saying, you're on the right path. Now, let me ask you, when was the last time you experienced a moment of synchronicity? Did you recognize it for what it was, or did you dismiss it as a random occurrence? Because I can promise you this, the more you pay attention to these signs, the more frequently they will appear. The third sign is a shift in your self-talk. As you practice visualization, something extraordinary begins to happen. You start to speak about yourself and your goals in a different way. Instead of saying, I hope I can achieve this, you begin to say, I will achieve this. The language you use becomes more empowered, more affirmative. This is because, through visualization, your subconscious mind is slowly being rewired. You're no longer operating from a place of doubt or fear. Instead, you're operating from a place of certainty and conviction. The way we speak about ourselves and our goals is more powerful than we often realize. As you visualize your success, you start to notice how the inner dialogue changes. You're no longer saying things like, I don't know if I'm good enough, or I hope things work out. Instead, you're saying, I'm more than capable, or it's already on its way. This shift in self-talk is a crucial sign that your visualizations are working. You're not just thinking about success, you're embodying it through your words. But here's where it gets interesting. Visualization doesn't just change the way you talk, it changes the way you act. That's the fourth sign. You begin to take inspired action. You see, there's a big difference between forced action and inspired action. Forced action feels like you're pushing against the grain, trying to hustle your way to success. Inspired action, on the other hand, feels effortless. It's fueled by the vision you've been visualizing in your mind. You're no longer acting out of desperation or scarcity. Instead, your actions are aligned with the person you're becoming, the successful version of yourself that you've been visualizing. When you practice visualization consistently, you'll notice that you start to take action naturally, almost without thinking about it. You'll feel drawn to certain opportunities, you'll feel compelled to reach out to certain people, and you'll find yourself making decisions that align with your vision of success. This is because your subconscious mind is now working in harmony with your conscious desires. You're no longer at war with yourself, trying to force things to happen. Instead, you're in flow. Let me ask you, what kind of actions have you been taking lately? Have they felt forced, like you're struggling to make progress? Or have they felt inspired, like you're being guided toward your goals with ease? If it's the latter, then you're already tapping into the power of visualization. The fifth and final sign is perhaps the most subtle, yet the most profound. You begin to attract people who resonate with your vision. The energy you're putting out into the world through visualization is magnetic. It draws in people who are aligned with your goals, your values, and your dreams. You'll start to notice that the people around you are uplifting, supportive, and encouraging. You may even find mentors or guides who show up at just the right moment to help you on your journey. This is because the frequency of success you're embodying through visualization is contagious. People can sense it. They can feel your confidence, your clarity, and your purpose, even if they don't know exactly what you're doing. And this is one of the most powerful aspects of visualization. It not only transforms your inner world, it transforms your outer world as well. As you continue to visualize your success, the people, situations, and environments around you begin to shift to match your inner vibration. But here's the thing, this doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency. It requires you to show up for yourself every day, to visualize your success, even when it feels far away. But trust me, the more you practice, the more these signs will start to appear in your life. And the more you recognize these signs, the more you'll be able to harness the power of visualization to attract the success you've always dreamed of. Now, I want you to take a moment and reflect. Who are the people in your life right now? Are they aligned with your vision of success, or are they holding you back? Because the truth is, the energy we surround ourselves with plays a significant role in what we manifest. If you're attracting people who support your growth, it's a clear sign that your visualizations are working. As we come to the final part of this journey, let's zoom out and take a broader look at what visualization truly means and how it can shape not only your success, but your entire life. Visualization is not just a technique or a practice, it's a way of being. It's about aligning your inner world with the reality you want to manifest in the outer world. And the thing is, visualization is not magic, though it often feels magical when things start to fall into place. It's a process of deep alignment, a commitment to consistently embodying the energy of what you want to achieve. If you've ever doubted whether visualization works, just consider this. Everything that exists in your life today was once a thought in your mind. Your job, your relationships, your home, even your hobbies, all of these things began as thoughts. ideas, or desires. You gave attention to them, focused on them, and eventually they manifested in your life. The same thing happens with success. It starts as a seed in your mind, a vision, a dream. But just like any seed, it needs nourishment, care, and attention to grow. Visualization is the process of watering that seed with your belief, focus, and energy. Now, I'm sure you've heard people say that success is something you have to chase, that you need to hustle, grind, and work harder than everyone else to make your dreams come true. But here's a truth that many people miss. Success is not something you chase, it's something you attract. And visualization is the magnet that pulls success toward you. By consistently visualizing your desired outcomes, you're aligning your energy with those outcomes. You're not just wishing for success, you're embodying it before it's even arrived. But here's the real secret. Success is not just about achieving a specific goal. It's about becoming the kind of person who naturally attracts success. Think about it. Why is it that some people seem to achieve success effortlessly, while others struggle for years? It's not necessarily because they work harder. It's because they've aligned themselves mentally, emotionally, and energetically with success. They've become the type of person who attracts the right opportunities, the right people, and the right circumstances. And that's what visualization does for you. It helps you become that person. So how do you become that person? How do you ensure that your visualizations are powerful enough to attract the success you want? It starts with consistency. Visualization is not a one-time event. It's a daily practice. Every time you visualize your success, you're strengthening your belief in it. You're telling your subconscious mind, this is real, this is happening. And over time, your subconscious mind begins to accept this as truth. It starts to shift your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions to align with that truth. But here's where many people go wrong. They visualize for a few days, maybe even a few weeks, and then they stop. Why? Because they don't see immediate results. They get frustrated, thinking that visualization doesn't work. But let me tell you something important. Just because you don't see results right away doesn't mean nothing is happening. Imagine planting a seed in the ground. You don't see the roots growing beneath the surface, but that doesn't mean the plant isn't developing. Visualization is the same. Even when you can't see immediate results, trust that things are shifting behind the scenes. The universe is rearranging itself to bring your vision to life. One of the biggest challenges people face when practicing visualization is doubt. That little voice in your head that says, what if this doesn't work? What if I'm wasting my time? We've all been there. But here's what I want you to understand. Doubt is normal. It's part of the process. The key is not to let doubt stop you. Whenever doubt arises, use it as an opportunity to strengthen your focus. Instead of getting discouraged, double down on your vision. See it even more clearly, feel it even more deeply. And here's something even more powerful. Visualization isn't just about imagining your success, it's about embodying it. It's about feeling the emotions of success as if it's already here. When you visualize, don't just see yourself achieving your goals. Feel the joy, the excitement, the pride, and the gratitude that would come with that success. When you do this, you're aligning your vibration with the frequency of success, and the universe responds to vibration. It doesn't respond to words or thoughts alone, it responds to the energy you're putting out. When you consistently feel the emotions of success, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe. You're saying, I am ready for this, I am already living this, and that's when the magic happens. You'll start to attract opportunities, people, and resources that match that vibration. So notice that things just seem to fall into place. Synchronicities will increase. The doors will open. But remember, this isn't magic, it's alignment. You've aligned your internal world with the external reality you want to create. Now there's one more thing I want to share with you. As you continue your journey with visualization, you'll notice that it's not just your external circumstances that change. You change. Visualization is not just about manifesting success, it's about transforming yourself. It's about becoming the version of you that already has that success. And as you change, the world around you will change to reflect that new version of you. So, what's the next step? How do you take this knowledge and apply it to your life right now? You start by committing to a daily visualization practice. It doesn't have to be long, just 5 or 10 minutes a day. Close your eyes and see your success. Feel it, believe it. Know that it's already on its way to you. And as you do this, pay attention to the signs. Notice how your emotions shift. Notice the synchronicities that start to appear. Notice how your self-talk changes, how you start to take inspired action, and how the people around you begin to align with your vision. The journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just beginning. Visualization is a lifelong practice. The more you do it, the stronger your ability to attract success will become. And remember, success is not something you have to chase. It's something you attract by becoming the person who is worthy of it. Through visualization, you're not just dreaming of success, you're living it, embodying it, and attracting it with every thought, feeling, and action. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, visualize the success that's waiting for you, and trust that it's already on its way, because it is.